loosen our oil cap, remove this. Let's go ahead and pop off our engine cover here. Reinstall our oil fill cap and set the cover aside. Use some rust penetrant on your hardware here. These 4 bolts we're going to remove. Using a 15mm wrench and our ratchet, let's go ahead and loosen these bolts. Go ahead and remove our bolts. I'm going to reinstall our nuts onto those bolts. Go ahead and remove those mounts. Using a 16mm socket, go ahead and remove these 2 bolts here and these 2 for the mount beside it. Remove this 13mm bolt. And this one. Once we have those 2 bolts out, remove the mount bases. Let's go ahead and install the upper bracket and put a little bit of anti-seize compound on that bolt. And get that started. And go ahead and get our other bolt lined up. Get that started. Let's go ahead and tighten those down. And line up our dog bone here. Get the nut installed there. Grab that motor and rock it back over, pop that bolt in and get that nut started. So install our bracket here. Go ahead and tighten these bolts down. to install our bracket here. All right, let's go ahead and tighten those down. All right, let's go ahead and tighten these down. Let's go ahead and tighten these bolts down. Pop off our oil fill here.